Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Teams on HP laptop step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your HP laptop. In the address bar, type teams.microsoft.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the download option in the upper right corner. Click on download to be redirected to the Teams download page. On this page, locate the download Teams button and click on it. The download will begin automatically. Wait for the download to complete. Once finished, locate the downloaded file in your browser or navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click on the Teams installation file to start the installation process. A user account control prompt may appear. If it does, click Yes to allow the application to make changes. The Teams installation window will open. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Now, you can click Sign In to access Microsoft Teams. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. Click Next and enter your password when prompted. After logging in successfully, you will be directed to the Teams interface. You can now start using Microsoft Teams on your HP laptop. Explore the features and customize settings as needed. Your installation of Teams is now complete and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.